Hi there, here's the Budget Aavante 1160 soundbar. Now a lot of people have asked me to suggest a budget soundbar for the TVs because we all know most TV speakers don't sound that great. The reason I chose to review this one is its price. It's retailing for just $3,999. Not only is it going to enhance your TV sound experience, but you can also use this as a standalone music player. Sounds fun, right? So let's unbox it, set it up, see its features, ports, and above all, the sound quality. So let's jump into the unboxing. Here is the retail packaging of the Budget soundbar. On top of the box it says wireless Bluetooth 5.0 with USB, coaxial and aux compatible, 2.25-inch 4 dynamic drivers, fit for multiple forms of entertainment, HD 60-watt RMS Budget signature sound, easy operational controls with remote, sleek premium finish, and 2.0 surround sound. Inside the box is the soundbar, a 3.5 to 3.5mm aux cable, a power adapter, a user manual, and a 1-year warranty card. Here's a bracket if you want to wall mount the soundbar to the wall, and these are made of metal, which is good. Screws for the bracket, you have the remote and 2 AAA batteries. So this is an infrared remote, as you can see here, and on the top is the power button. Here is the mute button, pairing button, input, volume up and down, previous track, next track, pause and play, music, movie, news. You can increase, decrease the treble from here. You can increase, decrease the bass from here. And this is to create 3D sound effect. Here is the soundbar. It's 35 inches in length and 3 inches in height. It has a metal honeycomb design grille on the front with the Budget branding in the center. On the top is a glossy finish. Overall, the build quality is good and feels quite premium. On the right side, we have the on-off power button along with the volume up and down button and a 3.5 aux in. On the back is the USB port, coaxial digital input, and the power port. At the bottom, we have this rubber feet so it gets a good grip on the table and doesn't shake. Powered on the soundbar, and we see a red light, which means it's on standby mode. Press the power button on the remote to turn it on. You can toggle between different inputs by pressing the input button. If the LED light is blue, that indicates Bluetooth. If it's blinking, then it's in pairing mode. You can pair any mobile, tablet or laptop to it. We shall test it later. Cyan light indicates coaxial SPDIF input and green means aux. When you plug in a pen drive, it turns purple. Let's connect the TV's sound output to the soundbar. I'm using a Mi TV for this demo and I'm connecting it via SPDIF coaxial cable. You can also connect it via 3.5 headphone jack and even your TV's Bluetooth. Aux cable is provided in the box, but a coaxial cable you'll have to buy separately. If you want to buy one, I'll leave the link for that in the description. You have to go to the audio settings on your TV and change the output settings from speaker to SPDIF. Alright, it's time for the sound demo. Shall play a movie trailer first and then some music.
There will be nothing left to save.
So firstly, it's miles better than any TV speaker, hands down. I enabled the movie equalizer mode from the remote for the trailer. The highs and mids are really good, crisp and clear. Bass is not like the bass we usually get when a subwoofer is connected, but quite decent. I'd like to say you can hear the beat but not feel it. But frankly, the bass is much better than what I expected. It creates a good sound experience when you're watching an action scene. We could differentiate between the left and right channel, which was really good considering its size. Also, you can control the trebles and bass levels from the remote as per your preference. I kept them both at half for more balanced sound. Overall, the sound quality is quite good. Coming to the music quality. Firstly, it gets quite loud. I switched it to the music mode from the remote while playing music and it made the audio sound far more richer. Excellent mids and highs for its size. Surprisingly, the bass is also above average, even though there is no subwoofer. Frankly, I expected it to be a lot flatter, but it still sounded quite good. You won't ever use your TV speakers again if you have this. It also comes with noise equalizer mode on the remote, which basically enhances the vocals. Comes very handy at times. Let's connect our phones via the Bluetooth and see. Toggle to the Bluetooth by pressing the input button on the remote. Press the pair button. The blue light starts blinking. You can find the Budget Soundbar name in your Bluetooth setting on your phone. There you go. Click and it pairs. Let's play some copyright-free music. Wow, that was amazing. And you know the best part? You can change the track from the soundbar's remote too. So if you have set a playlist, you can simply control the tracks, play, pause, previous, next, directly from your remote. Overall, the sound quality was quite impressive. You can plug in a pen drive that has MP3 songs on it and it starts playing instantly. Something I really don't know how many of us are going to use since we now all stream music. But there's also option of aux input to connect via your phone via your 3.5 cable. Tested it and it works without any problem. The best part is 4 preset equalizer options available on the remote: movie, music, news and 3D. The 3D option created a nice surround effect. I really enjoyed it while listening to smooth, soft tracks. It was really good. If I had to talk about its cons, I miss the optical input. And I think most people would prefer the optical to the coaxial input. But it's not a deal breaker. Also, the LED light might be a tad too bright if you're watching a movie with your lights turned off. I wish it had a dimmer mode for the LED. I mean, it's not too bright, but just saying if there was an option, it would have been better. Overall, for the price, it's hard to complain. The good sound quality compensates for all the cons. So for those who are looking for a better sound experience for their TVs and don't want to spend a bomb, then this Budget Soundbar is a really good option. Even if you want to listen to music via Bluetooth, it couldn't be easier. Super convenient for the small house parties. वो तो अब पता ही नहीं कब होंगी. But then excellent for the price, value for your money. I can easily recommend these to anyone who's on a budget. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope you all really like this video. If you have any questions regarding this soundbar, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.